Hello, everyone. We're going to talk about a new authentication method today called nOTP. No OTP costs, no login IDs, and no user typing. OTP has been a very popular authentication method across the world over the last few years. It has become more and more popular among B2C applications and as a second factor among B2B applications. There are certain challenges with the OTP authentication, though, which have started to emerge, causing big problems with businesses. One of the big problems is user friction, context switching, being able to fill in the OTP, type in the OTP into the mobile device. Another problem starting to emerge is security. Man-in-the-middle attacks, OTP fatigue, where users are getting many OTPs, and social engineering, where somebody calls them, asks for the OTP, and hacks into the account. Rising cost, another big problem. When you look at OTP costs, they are a major concern for large B2C organizations. And not to mention deliverability. In certain geos, the messages don't get delivered very well. Businesses have to use different providers based on the geolocations for deliverability. So how do we solve this? Introducing nOTP, spelled as nOTP, pronounced as nOTP. The idea is to authenticate users in WhatsApp without them typing in anything. Let's see a very quick demo of how does an end user experience this.
So here is our sample application at notp.guru. A very simple login process is initiated by clicking sign in with WhatsApp. It opens the WhatsApp and fills in the message automatically. User can then send the message and user is successfully authenticated. Now we can go back to our application and see if we are logged in. As you can see, the user is logged in. Since this is the first time user is asked for their name, and the sign-in experience is complete. Very seamless, no entering login ID, no typing anything, not even their phone number.
Now that we have seen a demo of the experience, let's see how easy it is to integrate into your mobile web application or your regular web application. With descope flows, you can add 3 different steps very easily and enable nOTP with no-code, low-code workflow editor. You can customize user screens. You can combine with other authentication methods, which could be on the same screen. And you can also merge identities of a user if you're starting to use social logins and phone number at the same time. Let's start designing a new flow, which can help us embed the whole nOTP experience into the application. Just give it a name. Start with the flow, completely blank canvas. The first step is to add a screen. This is the login screen for our application. Let's customize the title, customize the style a little bit. Get subtitle 1. Let's drag and drop the WhatsApp button. Let's leave it just like that. Next step is to add our nOTP action, which we have right here. Let's actually just created a very simple sign up or an action together in a single block, where we can sign up the user from the same screen and sign in the user as well. Connect your action to this particular step. Connect. That's all you need in the flow. And that's it. This flow can then be embedded into your mobile application with just a few lines of code or your web application as well.